My name is Rachel Lee Fernandez. A course of education, 19 years of age. In the School of Blancha Carion College. The reason why I make this video, it's because it's a requirement for the final exam for the IT fundamentals. Thank you, God bless, and goodbye. Is Rachel Lee Fernandez at Blancha Carion College. Mula Zamboanga del Sur. About me, I live in with a lesbian. We're coming 1 year in relationship. I met her in Bedempa, Davao, Zamboanga del Sur, an internet place where I board, and then nag-board ko siya. My hobby is texting, playing badminton, interest. Well, I don't think so if I'm interested. I don't know. I want to be rich. Family. My family. I don't have any father because my father is died when I was 4 years old. My mother is in Iloilo, getting married with other guy and have their own family. We have a lola in Dominga, yet a tita. Then I was 3 years old, left my mother. Well, let us see, abandoned. I'm not a nurse. I am education. Yeah, education. Coming first year college in education. My goals, I never gave anyone a reason to hate me. They just created their own little drama that's full of insecurity. Well, thank you. God bless.